Today I'm going to show you how you can enhance or edit your photos to make them shine and pop. And you don't even need a laptop or an iPad for you to do this. All you need is just your smartphone. So this application we'll be using for this particular photo editing is the app called Snapseed. Snapseed is available for both Android and also iOS users. Okay, it's an awesome app. So first of all, we open it up, and the next thing we are going to do is to bring in the photo we want to enhance or edit. So for us to do so, we have to just tap on this plus sign here. When you tap on the plus sign, it's going to take you to your gallery menu. Okay, so this is the app we want to edit. This particular app here, I downloaded it solely for the purpose of this tutorial. So I go ahead, tap on it, and then bring it to the application. So here you see looks, tools, and export if you have finished editing. So when we come to these tools, these are different tools you can use to edit your image and make them shine and good. The first tool we are going to use now is this tool, Tune Image. So for you to edit it, you take it to left, like you drag to left or right to your taste. Okay, so now we're going to increase the brightness of this image a little bit. We increase it like this is okay. Then the contrast, we increase the contrast a little, it shouldn't be so much. Then the saturation too, we increase the saturation, like this is okay. Then the highlight here is okay. Then we mix this ambience is also cool, but don't make it too much. Like this is okay, Then shadow, I want to remove the shadow and by increasing it, so I increase it like this is okay. Then the warmness, I increase the warmness. I believe this is okay by me. Okay, this is okay. Then you tap on this mark sign here, you tap on it to save it. So you tap on it, and also as you can see, it has changed from being so cool to being this way. So the next thing we are going to do now is to tap on this icon here. This icon here, you can see it here. You go ahead, tap on it, then you tap on view edits. You tap on view edits, tap on this tune here, then you tap on this icon here. When you tap on it, then you show you this. Next thing you are going to do is to tap here, invert, tap on it here. Then what I'm going to do now is to increase it here. So where I tap this arrow here. So what I want to do now is that I want the editing I just did just now not to affect the face for now. Okay, I'm still going to do for the face, so I remove it for the face. It's not going to affect the face for now. Okay, but it's not going to affect other parts of the body, other parts of the photos. So I check it. Okay, this is how I want it to be. Then I tap on back, I go back. Next thing I'm going to do is tap on tools, tap on that same tune image, then come to ambience, increase it the more, then go to warmness and increase it more. Like this is okay by me, like this is okay. Then I tap on OK. Next thing I'm going to do is to go to that same place, that same tools, then tap on selective. What this particular selective tool does is that you place it on one particular spot where you want it to be, anywhere you want it to be. I want it to be here. Then you can edit that particular spot. Any color that has that same particular spot you are editing will be affected by this particular selective tool. Okay, so now I want to increase the brightness of this particular place. I want to increase the brightness here. Okay, like this is okay. Then you can still add more of this. You can tap here, this plus sign here, tap it. You tap anywhere you want it to be. I want to reduce this, increase the brightness of this place too. Increase the brightness, bring it again, keep it wherever you want it to be. Okay, I want to remove these dark spots in these places. I go ahead, increase it, then I'll bring it in this last one here. I want it to be here. I want to remove these dark spots that are here by increasing it. Okay, like this is okay by me. Next thing you are going to do now is to go to detail, then reduce the structure. As you can see, the structure you make it to be more soft. When you increase the structure, it shows all the linings in the face. So reduce the structure a little bit, then come back to shining, just a little is okay. Then okay, The next thing you are going to do now is to tap on glamour, that is to make it glow. Tap on glow. You want it to glow but not too much. You don't want it to be too shiny. Okay, like this is okay. Come to saturation, increase the saturation a little, just a little. Then come to warmth, increase the warmth just a little too, a little. Then check it. The next thing you're going to do now is to go to this portrait here. Portrait, tap on portrait. Okay, portrait is going to show up. Then the full face spotlight, as you can see, face spotlight, we are here. Then I want it to be so much. Okay, I just want it to be very, very small. Then the skin smoothing, to smoothen the skin. Okay, I wouldn't want it to be so much, so it still be realistic. Then the eye clarity, let me zoom in to see it. The eye clarity will make the eye to be clear. Okay, as you can see, it will make the eye to be clear. It works only on the eye, so it makes the eye to be clear. Now done with this part. So as you can see, we have changed this photo from being so cold to being this warm. Like, can you see it being so cold and then to being lively and shining? So this is the amazing work this application can do. This is just a tip of the iceberg of what this application can do. For you to check out your result, all you have to do is to tap and hold on to the image. You tap and hold on, then we show you the before, and when you release your hand, it will show you the after result. So can you see how this image have gone from being cold and dead into being warm and lively? Can you see it? This is the amazing work this application can do. It's real good. This is real good. Okay, from here to here, this is good. Then you tap on this export, you go ahead and tap on save, and your image will be saved directly to your gallery. If you go to your gallery now, your image will be there waiting for you. Okay, so you can use the comment section to comment what you think about this tutorial. What application have you been using? Which one particular application do you think is best for photo editing? Okay, I would love to know your thoughts and I will reply as soon as possible. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my updates and videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, stay creative.